TradeStation offers online trading in stocks and options, futures, and now crypto. And with me is Anthony Russo, the Senior Director of Product Strategy at TradeStation, to explain what the company's doing in crypto. So Anthony, I guess give me an overall view. What's TradeStation doing in crypto? What's the strategy?
Yeah, right now we're emerging into the crypto space. We've been going on at this for a few years now. We're launching new products to be able to expand to our existing clientele, which more of the TradFi space. So we're actually bridging the gap, bringing TradFi into crypto, offering a subset of the top traded cryptos on our platform at competitive pricing, and providing traders access to the markets with some deep liquidity and great opportunities from a trade perspective.
And there's a crypto IRA, right? So how does that work?
That's our newly created product. Currently in the IRA space, from a crypto perspective, there's really crypto-centric IRAs that are available today. What's unique about our offering is that we're a multi-asset class full brokerage offering. So you get to trade all asset classes under your IRA now, including crypto. So not only that, you're going to get to access crypto through your traditional account structure, but you can also access crypto through an IRA account.
Amazing. And then there were predictions. I remember maybe over the summer, Bitcoin, 100,000 by the end of the year, 200,000 by the end of the year. Unless some miracle happens, we're not going to make it. I mean, any insight into what's going on in crypto right now? And how's the whole macro economy and COVID and everything impacting crypto and Bitcoin?
Yeah, there's been some great predictions. I know that the stock to flow model was one of those great predictions that people were following all along the past few years and really hoping for this 100K marker, as well as a bunch of other analysts that have been predicting that. From our perspective and my perspective personally, the market is really starting to grow at a much larger scale. You have institutional flow starting to come into the space. Because of the size of the market, it's definitely not going to have these probably euphoric price increases and decreases as we've seen in the past. So I think we're seeing some new market structure take place right now, which is actually probably a really healthy thing for new investors to come into the space.
Well, that's what I was going to say, because I have friends who ask me how to invest, and I go, just be prepared to lose $1,000 in 5 minutes. So, so I think that stability will be helpful in kind of the mainstream adoption of crypto.
Yeah, that's what we're seeing. And I think that's what it's really making it a little bit more friendly for those who are just really getting started, trying to find a way to get in a leg into this space. That volatility is probably still going to exist. It's not going away. All markets like volatility. That's why people come and trade. That's why we have customers that come to us each and every day. But I would say that we're getting definitely a different market structure that's forming right now, which actually is pretty exciting to see.
Interesting. And where are you seeing some of the big demand coming from crypto?
We've seen it across the board. I think that we've definitely started to see when you start to look at a brokerage firm like us, we really focus on retail investors, but we also have some institutional partners and customers that are looking to actually come into this space. So we're looking up the food chain, as I would say it, that there's a lot of interest in these types of larger customers that are trying to figure out what's the best way to structure and get into this space. And who can they trust and be willing to come in and start to work with. And because that we've been around for over 35 years, we become very unique in that way to be able to offer a unique offering for these types of customers to feel comfortable with a trusted partner like us to really enter the space.
So how could somebody find out more about what TradeStation offers for crypto?
Best is to go to TradeStation.com or to go to TradeStation Crypto. Either way, there's going to be all the information there for you to be able to get started and learn about what our offering has, along with our IRA offering. You're going to notice that we do not have any crypto custody fees, which is really unique in the space. There's all the list of fees and structures all on our page, very transparent, which is also very important, I think, from this space coming forward.
Okay. Thank you so much, Anthony, for joining us.
Thank you very much.